Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. Quickie meals, you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you're hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, watch Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be unboxing Drew Barrymore's toaster from her beautiful kitchenware set. This toaster is a 2-slice toaster. It has a touch activated display. The color is white icing. It has multiple bread types, bagel, frozen, and gluten-free functions. Extra wide self-adjusting toaster slots, long-lasting steel with matte premium finish. Its key features have a high lift lever for easy access to smaller breads. It makes 2 slices of toast at a time. It has a cancel button to stop the toasting process. It has a removable slide-out crumb tray for easy cleaning. It has a cord wrap for easy storage. It's a powerful 900-watt toasting system. And it has a 7-shade browning control for light to dark. Okay guys, so it comes with an instruction manual. As you can see, it's trimmed in gold. The B is gold and the lever is gold. And on the inside, it has the wide slots. This is the bottom of it where you will wrap the cord around for easy storage. And also it has the easy cleanup tray. After you're done toasting, you can remove it and clean it and just put it back. Okay guys, so I have the toaster plugged up. As you can see, the on and off button is blinking. So all you have to do is go ahead and press it. And you can see the options are gluten-free, bagel, frozen. You have a minus and a plus for how dark you want your toast to be, and also the cancel button. If you have toast and you want it darker, all you have to do is press the button and just say you're toasting. You can see it blink. And as it's toasting, the lines will go back. And of course it'll pop up when it's ready. And if you're not sure how dark you want it, you can just go ahead and cancel it and it'll pop up. Okay guys, so I have some bread and I'm going to see how well this toasts. So we're just going to go down and turn the power on. And I'm just going to minus it down some. So I have it on the 4 lines. And we're just going to press this down. Okay guys, remember when I first put the toast in, I had the 4 lines and they was blinking. Now I moved down to the 3rd line blinking. Now it's down to the 2nd line. This toaster is really nice. It should be ready to pop up soon. Okay, it's done. Okay guys, this is what the toast looks like when you set it on the 4th line. If you want it lighter, of course you would go lower. Well, I'm satisfied with this toaster. Like I said before in my previous videos of her appliances, everything I've purchased so far, it works really well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.